Assalamualaikum guys. Today I am going to present the content free grammar CFG, a topic of theory of automata. My name is Abdul Mahid. I am the student of University of South Asia in the Department of Computer CFG. Language generated by a CFG is a set of all string of terminal that can be produced from the starting symbol S using the production S as the substitution. A content-free grammar is a collection of three main things. First, terminal. Second, non-terminal. Third is production. Terminal. An alphabet sigma of letters called terminals from which we are going to make strings that will be the word of language. A set of symbols called non-terminal, one of which is the symbol S, standing from start here. A finite set of production of the form one non-terminal finite string of terminal or non-terminal. So we are going to discuss the terminal first. What are the terminal? Terminal are the alphabet that cannot be replaced by anything. They are denoted by the small letters. Set of alphabet. So what are the non-terminal? Non-terminal that can be replaced by anything that are represented by capital letters, set of symbols. Productions. Production are the grammatical rule. The rule we are going to replace the terminal by non-terminals. So here we have the example productions. S implies to A, S implies to B, and so on. So on the left hand side we have the tall side non-terminal. So left side we have the non-terminals every time. On the right side, head side, terminal or the non-terminal. Here on the last fifth, just we can replace double A by anything. So let's see here. Let's suppose that hmm, A implies to let's see. So if we replace the A, so D implies to double A. C it can be changed. Um, um, here we see is you see that the C implies to triple B, all the non-terminal, and we have here X implies to A, and here we have the terminal and the non-terminal both at the same time. Let's see the example. Let the only terminal be A, and the production B. The productions are production 1 is S implies to AS and production 2 is S implies to null. So what we are going to derive the language. So language is the ast- asterisk, all combination of A. How we are going to generate that? So in the production 2 we have the null. So we write it here. Sorry. So in the production 1 we have S implies to AS. So here we replace the AS with S with AS. So we have the double A. Uh, Now first we have to replace the S with null. So we get the A. Now we replace the S with double A. S with S. So we get the double A S. Now we replace the S with null. So we get the double A. Now in this production we replace the S with AS. So we get the triple S. So now replace the S with null. We get the triple A as so on. You can generate the triple A to infinite. Let's see another example. So here we have the four production. In previous example, we see the two production. Here we see the in the productions four. Hmm. Let the terminal be A and B. So we have the here two terminals A and B. The non-terminal be S and X. So the non-terminal are the S and the X. And the productions are. So we have the rule to replace the non-terminal in the terminals. So here you see that the regular it is the production CFG of the containing double A. At least double A. You can generate double A at least with this CFG. Hmm. First we see the example. Replace the X with null. So we generate the null double A and then replace this X with also null. Then we generate the double A just. So in this S, replace the X with AX, so it generates that the AX double AX. So now replace the both of the X with the null, so it generates the A triple I. So here you see that. Now first we replace this X. Now I also want to replace the with B. So let's copy that. So now we replace the both X with null. So we have B triple A as so on. Thank you.